In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Facebook Marketplace to find and purchase the things you love. The process is quite straightforward, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure you're comfortable with the platform from start to finish. Let's get started. First, open a web browser of your choice and go to Facebook's official website. If you have the Facebook app on your phone, you can also follow along that way. Once you're on Facebook's homepage, it's time to log into your account. Click on the login area and type in your email address and password. This will secure your access to your Facebook profile and its multitude of features. If you've never used Facebook before and hence don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Follow the prompts for signing up, providing all necessary details like your name, email, and password. Once created, you can access Facebook's full spectrum of options, including the marketplace. After you're logged in, you'll find the Facebook Marketplace, a virtual treasure trove of goods and services. To locate it, look for the marketplace icon, which resembles a little house with a roof. This icon is typically found on the top menu bar or the side panel depending on your device. Click on the marketplace to enter this bustling digital marketplace. Inside the marketplace, you'll find a variety of products displayed, from electronics to furniture and everything in between. Browsing through these listings, you have the opportunity to explore numerous categories tailored to your interests. Take your time to peruse the offerings. There is an abundance of fascinating things waiting to be discovered. Once you find a product that captures your interest, click on it. This will take you to a detailed view where you can see important information such as the product's condition, price, and location. Additionally, you'll find photos, which are crucial for assessing if the product meets your expectations before making any decisions. At this point, if you're convinced that this is the item you want, consider reaching out to the seller. Facebook Marketplace provides a messaging feature that allows you to directly communicate with them. Here, you can ask questions, negotiate the price, and arrange payment and delivery options if necessary. Always be cautious when arranging meetups for purchasing goods. Prioritize your safety and opt for well-lit public places for any interactions. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of how to utilize Facebook Marketplace to your advantage. Whether you're window shopping or on a treasure hunt, Facebook Marketplace is a convenient platform to explore and fulfill your shopping needs. Happy shopping, and may you find exactly what you're looking for.